Welcome to 2 News at 6. Woodcross Police Department may be the first in the state to test out a new tool aimed at increasing transparency. It's a gun-mounted camera, but it won't replace those that are worn by police.
It won't replace the ones that are worn by officers, as Mark just mentioned, but they do have one major advantage. 2 News' Brona Tomolti joins us now. Brona, these cameras don't ever need to actually be turned on. Is that correct?
Yeah, these automatically turn on when they are taken from the holster. The DA telling us today that in the last year alone, there were 21 officer-involved shootings in Salt Lake County. So this tool could help protect both the public and the police.
To my knowledge, we are the first.
This tiny tool,
It's actually a little bit smaller than the old light that I had.
could be a game changer when it comes to transparency.
It just gives you that other angle and that view as to what happened.
Chief Chad Soph of Woods Cross Police
We got this in November.
has been testing it out. Right now, every officer here has a body cam.
Yes.
Every single one of the 16.
Yes.
And those aren't being replaced.
And I don't see that ever happening.
But at $500 a pop, is the addition of new tech necessary? Why bother? Why do this?
I think I've seen a lot of video from officers in shootings, and you capture a lot of forearm from the body camera.
That's what we saw last week following the release of footage from Salt Lake City. Part of a fatal shooting blocked from view. And in this case, 7 of the 10 officers placed on leave failed to switch on their body cameras.
You think it's justifiable that in that moment the 7 out of 10 officers with Salt Lake alone didn't initiate?
Absolutely. Yep. Because that's not their focus, is to remember to turn their camera on. Their focus is to stop the bad guy. So I would not fault them at all.
But with these, that wouldn't be an issue.
Is when the camera and the gun is in the holster, it turns it off automatic. When it's removed, the camera comes on.
Now, the storage costs with these are much cheaper as well. A test camera is currently on the way for one of the patrol officers as well, and the hope is that they will soon be rolled out to every officer on the force. Back